What's up guys, in this video I will guide you on how to play Fortnite on your iPhone and iPad, and trust me, the process is quite simple. All you just have to do is to head over to your iPhone or your iPad. Now first things first, on your iPhone and iPad, if you head over to the App Store and then just search for Fortnite, you're going to see that Fortnite is not available on the App Store of the iPhone and even the iPad. So to play Fortnite on your iPhone or iPad, you want to head over to the Safari browser or any browser on your iPhone or on your iPad. At the search bar, you want to just go ahead and search for Xbox Cloud Gaming. And the first result you're going to see from over here should be the Xbox Cloud Gaming official website. Meanwhile, if Xbox Cloud Gaming is not available in your region, you can try using any other cloud gaming service like the Amazon Luna or just any other option. All you just have to do from over here now is to select Xbox Cloud Gaming. And then at this point, you just want to go ahead and click on the profile icon at the top right corner to sign in and play Fortnite on your device. For this, you will need a Microsoft account. And if you do not have one, then you can just go ahead and create one, but then just click on the profile icon over here first. And then you can literally see from over here, there is the button saying get ready to play. Just go ahead and click on that. This is actually now going to ask you to add the Xbox Cloud Gaming app into your iPhone. You just want to go ahead and click on the share icon. And now you want to scroll down and then click on add to home screen. And then you can just name it anything, then click on add over here. And now we have the Xbox Cloud Gaming app on our iPhone. You want to go ahead and open it up directly from here. Once it loads up, you will be required to sign into your Xbox Cloud Gaming account by simply clicking on the profile icon if you have not signed into your account. So click on the sign in button over here. I already have an account. If you do not have an account, the process of creating an account is quite simple. Just click on the create an account option from over here. Once you finish creating an account, then you can now proceed to sign in just like so. I'll go ahead and sign in over here. Click on the next button and then a code will be sent to your email. You want to go ahead and just confirm your code. So if you click on the profile icon, my account over here, now the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and search for the Fortnite app from the search bar over here. Once you search for Fortnite, you should be able to find it. I've actually been playing this game for some time, so I will just jump back into the application by selecting it, then click on the play button over here. Now to get a better gaming experience, you want to just rotate your phone this way, but then make sure you come over to the top of your phone and then make sure you turn on the landscape rotation option and then just go ahead and rotate it this way. So I'll just go ahead and click on the battle royale option, then click on play. And basically that is how to download and play Fortnite on your iPhone or iPad without any problem. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.